So, and the next would be language proficiency.
Mm.
IELTS or OET lang to, di ba? Tama ba yun?
Yes, IELTS or OET lang. PTE is not accepted
Yan nga,
dito
no?
sa
So,
for
in this
residency pwede.
in this section, you just have to write your test report form, candidate number, and then date of exam. So hindi ka pa dito magko-connect ng
Oo, parang i-reflect mo lang dyan yung
okay.
yung test report form mo.
I think yung next slide ko is actually connecting it, but it's probably more related later, no? So pag nandun ka na sa mga forms na section. Okay, so for now, you just provide the information about your language proficiency exam na tinake mo. And again, if you are a nurse from UK, Ireland, or Canada, and you took an English exam to get your registration there, they can actually waive their English test. Kahit na expired na, no? Bongga. Kayo na.
Basta si nursing council lang magsasabi nun sa'yo. Parang, ako mo lang, ganun. Parang ganun.
But for Singapore nurses, you still have to take English test. So, sama-sama tayo. Nagbigay na po ako ng verifying access sa OET account ko para ma-access ng CGFNS, pero hindi pa rin daw nila makita. Na-encounter mo na to?
I think, hindi ko sure kung paano hindi nila makita, kung tipong nag-communicate na ba sila sa CGFNS. Ako kasi personally, what I did was, inalaw ko both si CGFNS and si Nursing Council para no questions na. Doon sa mismong portal ng OET.
Verification institution. So,
although instructions lang naman sa email was just the CGFNS. Pero pabibo kasi ako. So, inad ko sa Nursing Council.
Okay.
Yeah. So, tapos after nyan, naggawa ako ng ticket. Letting them know na parang add ko na sila as parang kumbaga nabigyan ko na sila ng access to verify my results sa OET. And then right away, parang the next day, okay na, meets requirement na. But this was like February. Tama. Oh, yeah. So, ngayon yata kahit ganun yung gawin, parang minsan inaabot ng 3 to 5 days. Medyo matagal.
So ito yun, guys, by the way, I'm just going to show you this application status tracker na as you are submitting the relevant forms, as you are uploading the documents and the files, ganito yung magiging itsura niya, parang meets requirement. Hindi ko alam kung kaninong screenshot ko to nakuha, but meron pa siyang documentation needed dito, kaya parang 90% complete pa lang siya. But on this other side here, yung sa mobile view. Ito kay Nurse Ruro to, kita niya naman, no, 100%, no further action required, o, diba?
Yes. Kasi tapos na eh.
I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for liking, commenting, and sharing my videos. As always, I wish you all the best with your journey, and I hope you will be blessed. I'll see you soon. Bye!